Take a look at this YouTube channel that exclusively uploads animated story videos, earning a modest monthly income. Upon visiting the channel and observing the substantial number of subscribers, you'll be astonished. The content focuses solely on animated story videos. Now, you might wonder if you can also create such videos without any animation expertise or professional skills. The answer is a resounding yes, and I assure you that it can be done with or without being a beginner. You may be curious about whether these channels are monetized by YouTube. The answer remains the same: yes. Let's delve into the process. To create these videos, follow these 5 easy steps, and you can do it using your mobile phone by enabling the desktop version in your Chrome browser. The first step involves obtaining a story. To do this, go to Chat GPT or you can use Google Bard. Now prompt here, requesting a short moral story involving a girl, a bird, and other animals in the forest. Within a few seconds, you'll have a story to work with. Now it's time to gather scenes for the story. Prompt the AI to generate scenes based on the story, and within a few seconds, you'll have scenes related to the narrative that will aid in creating images. Copy all these scenes one by one, you will need them later. Moving on to the second step, use a tool called Leonardo AI. This text-to-image generative tool has numerous features. While a detailed video about this tool will be delivered later, but for now, if you're a beginner, create an account. If you're already registered, proceed to click on Image Generation. Paste the scenes copied earlier into the prompt box. Select a 16:9 ratio and generate images. Choose the best ones among the 4 options and download it. And generate more images according to the story scenes, and again, download them all. Now, for the third step, visit a website called LeiaPix Creator, where your images come to life. Create an account, upload your first image, and witness it transform into an animated video. You can adjust the video's movement by changing the motion and speed of the animation. And in the same way, generate more animated videos for all the images. Step 4 involves getting voiceovers for the story. Visit the website 11 Labs, select your preferred language. These voiceovers are realistic, and you can choose between male and female versions. Paste your story, choose your favorite voiceover artist, and click on Generate Voiceover button. Now, after getting your text story converted to voiceover, download it. Finally, compile all the materials you've gathered. Ideally, you should have your own video editor, but if not, you can use Canva, a free and amazing video editor. Upload the video and voiceover, then adjust it to match audio with video according to the scenes. That concludes the process. Let's have a look at what we have created.
Once upon a time, in a dense and vibrant forest, lived a young girl named Maya. Maya had a deep love for nature.
Okay, so if you have any dissatisfaction with the voiceover audio, your next video will explore text to audio in VoiceOver Maker. For that, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.